welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'm reviewing another fuzzy sweater because they are just the best and I just can't get enough of them. And this one is, I can tell, is gonna be dusty pink. All right. There's always this little thing right there where you can rip it open. So, and I think that's really helpful because if you have that, if you like accidentally use scissors, you won't accidentally like cut into the fabric for whatever reason if accidents happen, right? So know that on every fuzzy sweater, there will always be a little rippy thing. So, love this color. And of course there's a fuzzy little hood with little drawstrings on the side. Yes, wonderful. This zipper, let's see if it goes. Oh, yep, just goes down right there. It is a little bit off the shoulders, I would say. No, it's on the shoulders. Maybe a little off the shoulders, I'm not sure. And then cuffs over here and then cuffs at the bottom as well. And then it's just one color, same fuzzy all the way around. So let me go ahead and try it on. All right, oh my goodness, this is super, super, super comfortable. Love the color, love how it cuffs at the bottom, keeping the warm in. And oh yes, there are definitely nice pockets right here, yay. Oh, I wonder if you can tie it up and maybe make it look really cute in the middle. I don't know. Actually, I kind of like that. Well, no, if I do it a little higher. Yeah, there we go. It's kind of, I like that, it's kind of cute. So yeah, so this is the front, fuzzy, everything, I mean, just fuzzy all around. Same color. So, I mean, literally whatever color you want, this company has. If you check out the link below, you can see what colors they have. And I mean, there's different patterns, fabrics, all that good stuff. But if you would like this one in particular, you can check out the specific link below to check this one out. And I mean, I will bring you to all the rest that the company has as well. But yeah, my favorite season is obviously fuzzy sweater season. Actually, no, JK, I lied about that. I actually prefer summer better. But if I have to go through a winter, I would prefer to go through a winter and or fall with a fuzzy sweater. So for more product reviews, continue watching, unboxings, all that good stuff. And please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this fuzzy sweater. Would you wear it? Would you not? What color would you wear? What color do you want to see me wear next? Or what product do you want to see me do next? Let me know. I do want to hear from you, please. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.